Doing?
We're going to check on the baby, see if it's ready.
See if it's ready. Good morning. Good anointing, YouTube. I just dropped off my kid and I'm headed to my appointment, my 9-month appointment. I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I have a very busy day, so I need to get my life together. Peace. Okay, so I'm just picking up my prescription right now. That's CVS. I low-key hate this location because they are always busy, slow, packed. Thank you. You too.
Okay, so look, you're gonna sit like this. You know, side to side. And then today. Okay. That's how she got in there. Get it.
I feel like a snake.
Good. Let's get some music. She won't listen to it.
Rihanna.
Oh.
Recording. It's giving. Ooh, my whole back was like.
Period. You said Ricoya.
My brother said, "Who you think you is, Rihanna?" When I showed him my photo shoot.
That's what she is. Any questions?
Oh, you lead me to paradise. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby. Take some time.
Yeah. Okay, lay on your side facing me. Let's do that. Yes. Okay. Come on to your side. And then scoot towards me. Yes. Is your top half comfortable? Okay. Straighten your bottom.
This is my leg. Don't feel I was like, where the stomach gonna go? That was so good.
Right up under. That was good. That's the one you tried to get.
That's the one I was trying to.
Girl, even the whole shape of your belly changed. Like she shift forward a little bit.
She be moving wherever you move.
I love that. Y'all are like dancing.
She's like, I don't want to be like that.
Okay, bend her moving like she just shifting around. Cause she knows where to go. Woo!
This is my favorite part, and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh girl.
I'm like, where my stomach gonna go?
Right here, right next to you.
I needed that.
Okay. Now I don't want to do too much on the toes and the feet because
That make you go into
yeah. So as bad as I want to massage this whole foot.
That's what she was saying when I got my pedicure.
Yeah.
I'm like, what?
You need it the most, right?
Yes. What you mean you can't massage my feet?
Okay, so we're gonna get ready to put you on your belly. So we're gonna start tall. See if you like this. And if you don't, we can lower it down a little bit. She needs that.
Yeah.
So you probably would like this. Just let me know when you come down.
Yeah.
You like that better?
Yeah.
You need this pillow here?
Yeah.
Okay. You want another one?
Nope, this is fine.
Okay. Alright. Good.
You're slow on. You feel weird. You like,
Am I supposed to be doing this? Is that too much? And I know that biofreeze is your favorite, girl.
absolutely crazy.
Deuce is blowing up the exercise ball.
Yeah, what especially I need.
Huh?
Okay, I need.
Hey y'all. So I just came back from my appointment. Turns out I'm 4 centimeters dilated. So yeah.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they stood it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so what you on. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Looking at your car, you just at least so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that I wanna perform. And the back end just came in and out. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on it. I'm from Atlanta, I know they hate on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't burning. Drip too hard, stand.
Y'all, look at my sister-in-law. She was holding her breath the whole time.
Oh my god.
Story of my life, girl. Whole time, every time I take it, I be holding my breath. Deuce be sitting here fucking with me. I be like, stop.
Listen, I don't even want to talk. First, like, shut up, talk and distract. I'm like, no, we need to focus.
No.
We gonna focus.
Girl, one time. Okay, update. Don't mind me, I look crazy. But last night I started having, I don't even know if it was contractions, but I was having back pain in my lower back, which is signs of early labor. And I was able to just use a heating pad and get over the pain really quickly. But I had to use the bathroom a lot. So that's when I knew, like, okay, I might be in labor. But I didn't want to go to the hospital and just be sitting there, because you know you could be in labor for hours, sometimes days, before you actually have your baby, and then they don't let you eat, and it's all these stipulations when you go to the hospital. So yeah, I was just like, I'm gonna chill until I really feel like I'm dilating, or if the pain just gets unbearable. Plus I knew I had a doctor's appointment this morning.
long story short, I went to my appointment today, this morning, and I was dilated 4 centimeters. So 5 is like considered active labor, and 10 is like you about to push. When I was pregnant with Deuce, I made it to the hospital and I was fully dilated, so he was literally falling out. And my pain tolerance is so high, so I literally couldn't gauge. I mean, I could feel that I was dilating, but I wasn't sure, because like also my water never broke with Deuce, and my water didn't break now, so I just thought I was in the clear. Long story short, at my appointment, she was basically telling me that I was dilating and I could walk and do all this stuff, and I'll more than likely have this baby tomorrow by the weekend. So right now I just been trying to take it easy, but also had this way, think of a way to have this baby by tomorrow. That's me. I've been drinking pineapple juice because I heard that helps with labor, and she said my cervix was softened, and that's what they also said it does. So I feel like that's working, so I'm gonna keep doing that. I have my pregnancy ball, and then I've been eating, I ain't even been eating, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to eat one of these, but I did put it in a smoothie and it was actually pretty good. I used pineapples, strawberries, almond milk, and dates. That was actually really good, so I might make one of those tonight. No, I'm gonna make one of those tonight. I'm gonna drink this pineapple juice and I'm gonna take a bath right now, because I really just want to relax. I don't want to exhaust myself and then get to the hospital and just be drained. So yeah, I got my candle lit and we just chilling, so I'll keep y'all posted.
Sapphire. She's so alert. Okay, y'all, it is May 6th and we just had a whole baby. A whole one. How many pounds was she?
5 pounds.
And
8 ounces.
5 pounds, 8 ounces. Look at her over there.
9.5 inches.
So cute. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Ooh, I feel like. Hey guys, so I'm in the labor. I'm moving from my labor and delivery room into a regular room. Is it a regular room?
Yes, that's not a baby.
Hi, Deuce. Go on that side so you can see her. Who is that? Oh. Go wash your hands. Already, right. Mm.
Daddy, we used to have those trash cans at school, but it's different. It's like video.
What?
Wait, go back right there. Do it again. Okay, I got my pics.
Girl, now she about to cry. I was like, what is happening?
Put my bed up. I heard him say he gonna put my milk pump together. I heard him say that him gonna be the best big brother in the whole library. Yeah, him did. Yeah, him did. Say what you mean? Oh, my God. Yeah, him did. Yeah, him did. Look at you, brother.
Oh, God. Hold on. I gotta take a picture first on my phone.
If somebody calling you, you could take your call. I'll just call y'all back.
Okay. Now I'm trying to take a...
Yep, don't worry about it.
Okay. Call me when you get there.
You take your mask off and take a picture.
Y'all make sure y'all take everything the hospital leave. Like, tell them you need a bag. Take out all the good stuff. Keep your good stuff at home. Take everything. Yep, I'm taking this too. Taking this road. I wanted to show y'all my food before I ate, but I ate it all. I was starving. Oh my God. Y'all, the food here kind of been good. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. And we had sweet tea. They gave you a little lemon packet for your sweet tea, I guess. That's how you know you in the South. Y'all, can you see me? I'm so excited. I just found out my baby might be leaving from the hospital today. She's been in the NICU for like 3 days, and y'all, it's been an emotional roller coaster. Yesterday was freaking Mother's Day, so that was even more traumatic. So yeah, I'm here at the NICU. I haven't really vlogged anything about this part, so I'll try to like insert some clips or fill y'all in now that I'm in better spirits. But yes, the NICU journey is so overwhelming. I would just say that, to say the least. And I just haven't even had the energy or strength to update y'all on this part, but because I just feel like I'm so vulnerable right now, I should be sharing with y'all what I'm going through, especially for moms who are going to experience this or have experienced this. Y'all can definitely relate. So yeah, she's going to do one more test, lab test this afternoon. Then she has to do her car seat test, and then hopefully we should be able to bring her home. So I will update y'all and probably let y'all see all the lights and cords and how she's been cooped up. So yeah, this is where we are, and I will keep y'all posted.
Right.
And guys, on this, just make sure the strap, so she's over 5 pounds on car seat, because baby may go home at 5 pounds, but you never know. And just because they're premature and stuff like that, but I think she's okay.
Yay!
Make sure y'all tune in
Yay, Sapphire
tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. We giving away $1,000
We're gonna go check on her. You want her to come home? Huh? You wanna kidnap her?
No.
I'm just kidding. Okay, get back. What are we doing?
I'm going to check on the baby, see if it's ready.
See if it's ready.
No, we didn't. No.
She actually not that small as I thought she was. This is a new one.
I guess in theory we should
Okay, good girl.
She's so pretty. I'm glad I didn't get all this.
Oh, I didn't have a baby. I haven't put a single thing in on the baby. They refused the admission, yeah. And that's exactly what Dad said. I said, so you're refusing the admission? And he says, yeah, I'm not saying they didn't tell me any of that. And then when I told Leslie, I said, they let the baby go from the ER, and then they called them back for admission. I don't even understand that. It's like they knew that they shouldn't have let them go, and then it's like it picked them by the So it's very, he said, just let him deal with it, so I wasn't paying attention. I really...
Baby girl, first time putting on some clothes. Yes. Baby girl.
Right. And so, well, and that's what I was trying to tell Dana when I spoke with Dana. I said, she said, well, that's
Sapphire.
why we accepted the baby. I said, I think there's a
Hey, Sapphire.
I said, so when we accept a baby, it's not, someone has to make the decision.
Looking like your mama.
That wasn't Dr. Amon. I said, somebody sent the baby and they refused admission. That's not Dr. Amon's decision, right? Right. But then they refused.
Little princess.
Oh, she is so She's looking right at you. But she likes the camera already.
Just like mommy.
She's sweet.
Smile.
Apparently, they signed the ambulance report that Nicole was here thinking I needed her. And I guess she does file a tax report. So I know you ready to bust out of here. So I guess we need to be tax involved when that happens. First time putting on clothes.
I'm so sweet. Her lips so pretty with her flowers. Hi.
Okay.
I agree. And I think that's where the breakdown is.
Let us know if you want us to take a picture or anything of y'all.
Okay, yes.